Hi everyone, I welcome you in my channel. My friends, today we have two guests with us. The first one is Parveen Kazi. Actually, she has 15 years experience of teaching and she has completed her MA in English Literature. And right now she is the Vice Principal of Rising Stars. And our second guest is Samina Khatib. She is the supervisor of Rising Stars and she has also 10 years experience of teaching. So today they are going to share their views about education and what is the importance of education in our life and how can you be the great principal. So just watch the video till the end. So very first question I would like to ask you, ma'am, can you say something about your school and what are the courses which you offer in your school?
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Rising Star School is running at present online classes, that is from nursery to 6, and they are doing very well. Students are doing very well, and we are terribly waiting for the school to reopen so we can meet our lovely students again. And if you are talking about the courses which the Rising Star is running or conducting at present is the ECC course, that is early childhood care education, and which is very necessary in pre-primary education and especially for the pre-primary teachers. It's very useful and you can complete it within 6 months. And the Rising Star is, I would like to tell you, the Rising Star is the first who introduced this course in Bhiwandi, and it is affiliated to Safal Institute, Mumbai. You can get the degree from there and you can complete it within 6 months. It's very useful to pre-primary teachers and it's mandatory from the government also to do this course.
So next question I would like to ask you, as you are the Vice Principal of Rising Stars. So I just want to know what are the qualities a principal must have.
See, being a principal is not an easiest job. A principal means he or she should have a clear vision about the school and his work. And the second thing is, an effective principal should have always be ready to accept new challenges and he adapt the new trends in education. And secondly, to improve, he or she should have find new ways to improve the education system and policies. He should revise the policies of the government, and he or she should create a good environment for the teachers, good for the students, and he should always be prepared to deal with the situation, especially for the parents.
So next question I would like to ask you, ma'am, means how we can motivate or inspire teachers. What are your strategies?
See, the very first important thing to inspire and motivate the teacher is that we should be available for them. Give your time to them as a supervisor. Secondly, we should publicly appreciate their work. They need continuous appreciation. So much hard work a teacher does to impart the content, to explain to a child. Before going to class, she prepared teaching aids. She does a lot of hard work, and these hard work required appreciation. So I personally feel is that the most important motivation for a teacher is that praising her publicly.
Absolutely. Now I just want to know, how do you make your students speak English?
For speaking English, you must create a social environment. The social environment where each and every child is involved in speaking English. Although in the beginning they may commit some mistakes, they may commit some errors, it's okay, but we keep on motivating them so that the child first begin with a incomplete grammar, then he will start developing the vocabulary, and further he will continue in speaking better English. So the first important thing is we should provide the environment for speaking. So the child must start speaking English at the early stage.
Okay, so next I just want to ask you what students should do in their free time, what exactly they should learn.
Yeah, this is something which is very interesting, and the child want free time to play. It's okay, like playing outdoor game is also good for health. So the child should join a sport club, should involve in outdoor activities. Side by side, the child must involve in some interesting hobbies. For example, art and craft, and many other activities child know. Nowadays, coding is very famous. So we can involve in such activities so the child can utilize the leisure time for developing the different skill.
Next question I just want to ask you means what qualities and skills a teacher must have?
See, what I feel that no one is perfect in this world, and teachers are not inborn. So they should keep on learning. They should always be ready to grow, to improve themselves, and keep on learning. This is the message for the teachers, all the teachers.
And at last, I just want to ask you a very important question. What message would you like to give our viewers?
My message to all the viewers is that give an opportunity to the rising star to grow and improve, because a great school cannot exist without great group of kids. Be happy and be safe.
So I hope you like this video, and I just want you to share this video with your friends and family so they can also get a lot of information about teaching strategies and how you can be a good principal and how you can manage this thing. Thank you very much for watching the videos.